Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to download Car Mechanic Simulator 2021 on your PC. First, make sure you have Steam installed on your computer. Steam is a popular gaming platform that offers a broad range of games. If you haven't installed it yet, visit the official Steam website using your browser. Click the Install Steam button in the top right corner and follow the instructions to install the Steam client. Once Steam is installed, launch the application. If you don't have a Steam account, you'll need to create one. Click on Create a Free Account and provide the required details, such as your email address and a secure password. After setting up your account, log in to access the Steam interface. Next, locate the search bar at the top right corner. Click on it and type Car Mechanic Simulator 2021. The game should appear in the search results. Click on its title to open the store page for more details. To purchase the game, click the green Add to Cart button. Once you've bought the game, go to the Library tab at the top. You will see Car Mechanic Simulator 2021 listed among your games. Click on it to open its library page, and then press the Install button. A window will pop up asking where you want to install the game on your computer. Choose your preferred location and click Next. The download will begin automatically. After the download is complete, a Play button will appear in your library. Click it to launch Car Mechanic Simulator 2021. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.